After the coldest February in LA in more than 60 years, the cold has a lot of people using space heaters to keep warm, but you need to use them properly. CBS 2's Amy Johnson has one woman's story of survival after she was burned in a space heater fire as a child.
Shannon Collins hugs the nurses.
It's been so long.
And one of the doctors that took care of her for nearly 2 months while she was being treated at Torrance Memorial Burn Center after surviving a deadly apartment fire at the age of 9.
Good tears, happy tears.
It was December 26, 2006 when the fire broke out.
We had a space heater that was close to the couch. And unfortunately, it wasn't turned off or moved, so it did cause the couch to catch fire. After that, the Christmas tree caught fire.
Her grandfather was killed. Shannon, her sister, and grandmother were hurt.
I was about 35% burned. Since I went through a window, it's mainly on my arms, my neck, and lower back.
Shannon survived the ordeal and is using the experience to warn others of the possible dangers of using space heaters.
We are here. We are trying to make a difference.
Shannon teamed up with the Torrance Fire Department and the Torrance Memorial Burn Center team to spread awareness.
Sometimes we get a chance to see patients who survive their injuries and give back to the community, and it means so much for us.
Firefighters say a space heater should never be your main source of heat.
Every space heater comes with a set of instructions, and that is your primary source to keep your family safe.
And they also say always keep heaters away from flammable items. Never leave them unattended or use them while you're sleeping, and never use them with an extension cord.
Please be careful and be aware of things that are out in life. You never know what could happen, and always treasure every moment you can.
In Torrance, Amy Johnson, CBS 2 News.